For all those that missed the first car wash, here's the second car wash.
Truck wash?
Oh my god, I did it again. Truck wash. Yes, the second truck wash. We're in a semi-truck doing a semi-truck wash, and apparently he goes through 5 times. Who would have known? So he likes it clean. So I guess you really appreciated my cleaning with a toothbrush, right?
Sure.
You didn't?
I did.
Okay then. So that's the fun part. It's still guts that are on the windshield. Fuck. They just let you go in as many times as you want?
Yep.
Why?
See, everyone likes clean trucks, I guess.
So I guess we're gonna go through like 5 times.
No, we'll go once more before we leave.
So, keep your truck clean. It's all about being clean. Right?
Take pride in your shit.
This is terrible. I'm on YouTube fixing my hair. I just look terrible. It's been what? How long did it take us to get here because of those problems? 3 days?
3 days.
3 days. Everybody wonders why.
We're gonna stop at the casino.
Where I made money. Whatever. Okay, so we had a little stop at the casino. I was there for a couple hours. I made some money, picked up a gift. I'm a professional gambler. I don't know what to tell you. Anyway, I had to do that. I needed some money. And I needed to get off the road for a minute anyway. It was crazy. People were acting nutsola. There's sun for you. All you people needing sun. I got mountain sun and a yard full of semi-trucks. That's fun. So, anyway, second car wash. Have a great day, everybody.